Daddy. Shuttlecock. Pwede ba yung hanggang dulo? Ay, hindi dyan na pala. Ang tagal ko talagang gustong bumili ng ganito at meron akong makakalaro. Wow! Thank na thank. Oh. Lapit na. Alaro na ako. Laro na tayo. Sabi yung pawis ko. And then, nakabili na rin ako ng the heck. Yo! Sana naman gumana. Paano ba to? Ay, there! And then, para sa iPod.
I'll hold you close and keep you near, no matter where. You show me what these colors are for. Now my heart beats in technical. Don't be jealous. I just got staring me up. I just got if you're gonna leave me, then just do. Let's chase the sun right through the night. Together we'll make everything right. No need to fear, no. There's a light, but it feels too far. I see the rise. Every second burning down to rise. We'll shine like stars in midnight skies.
Laminated both sides.
And now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. I'll go back to the sun, reach my own home. I will never say never. I will fight, no more hiding. No, I wanna be. This is me. Don't wanna wake up alone anymore. Still believe me, you walk through my door. If you told me tonight for you, I would.
Ayan. Yan. Kasarap. Noodle making yan. Oh, siyempre na. Magsalad ka keto. Marimla. Solo men, eh?
Ay, wala ka na nagulog. Wala nang masay ka.
Na, daig may pa nagpamassage. Daig may pa nagpamassage, Ken.
Oo, kanya naman.
Wow! Oo. Mag-enjoy ay Casey. Ba't hindi ka ba, ayaw mo ba ito? Pagka-taksin?
Hindi ako pwede yan.
Hindi man biyasang magluto yan. Ako bibigay ko sa nanay. Magluto ay ni Payless. Pagpakaya mo yan. Ang pa-delivery amin galgal. Ay, anak. Anak mo nga yun. Anak ko. Oh, anak na nga kita. Oh, ito. My friend. Ayan. Tama na yan. Ayan, bibigyan yan.